Hey there, fellow data enthusiasts. Welcome to a riveting journey through the world of large language models. In today's video, we are about to witness a showdown like no other. I'm your host, and I'm going to take you through a head-to-head comparison of four powerful language models: Google Bard, Meta's Llama 2, Claude AI, and the ever-impressive ChatGPT. Our mission: to uncover the most unique and creative ways to create new columns in Pandas data frame. So, without further ado, let the battle begin. Alright, let's dive right into the action. We have asked each of our contenders to provide us with 6 distinct methods to create new columns. Keep your scorecards ready because this is going to be intense. Our first contestant is none other than Google Bard. Let's see how it fares in the creative column creation challenge. The code is on the screen and let's review the results. The first method is straightforward, a classic assignment, but we are here for the flair of innovation. The second method is decent, but there is room for improvement. Method 3 is deja vu. We have seen it before, so no points there. Now method 4 introduces insert, earning Bard its third point. And look at method 5, it's a sign worthy of another point. But hold on, method 6 is a bit of a twist with concat. However, we don't usually use concat for creating columns, so creativity deserves applause, but no points here. After thorough scrutiny, Google Bard walks away with 4 points, not bad at all. But the game is just beginning. Now, let's step into Llama 2's domain. I took it for a spin on a website, and here are the results. The first method aligns with this familiar assignment strategy, but we are hunting for innovation. Method 2, applying with a lambda function, seen that before, haven't we? Method 3 dives into np.where territory, a bit of deja vu from others, but it is missing the numpy import. Method 4 is a nod to concatenate approach, yet it's not distinct enough. Llama 2 missed the last 2 methods, but hey, everyone deserves a second chance. We will grant 1 grace mark, totaling its score at 4 points, just like Bard. Get ready for a roller coaster of creativity as we explore ChatGPT's response. Brace yourself. The first method starts conventionally with a simple assignment, seen it right. Method 2, applying with a lambda, old news. Method 3, you guessed it, the np.where trick. But wait, here comes method 4, applying with a separate function, a hidden gem, missing in the others. Method 5 introduces the pd.cut, not commonly used but worth a nod. And method 6, a complex dance with group by and merging. Not the most efficient, but it does show creativity. All in all, ChatGPT scores a stunning 6 points. Now, that's what I call thinking outside the data frame. As we approach the final round, let's see what Claude AI has in store for us. Claude's first method mirrors what we have seen before, scalar value assignment. Method 2 takes a spin with a list-based column creation, familiar territory. And method 3, well, it's a repeat of the first, so no point there. Method 4, the assignment strategy, is a solid contender for creating new column. And method 5, an intriguing technique, but it's essential to remember the brackets for accurate results. And method 6, quite a novel approach, uncharted waters for some, but it works. With a total of 5 points, Claude AI wraps up the competition. Impressive show indeed. And there you have it, folks. The dust has settled and the scores are in. It's time to crown a winner. ChatGPT emerges as the front runner with its innovative thinking and fresh solutions. But hey, the real winner here is the world of data science, as these large language models continue to inspire and challenge us in new ways. Now it's your turn. Do you agree with my assessment? Did any model surprise you with its creativity? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you have got more exciting ideas for videos, don't hesitate to share them. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep discovering the endless possibilities hidden within the data.